Hi guys, welcome to David's tutorial, and let me show you a method on how to clean up storage on your TCL or Android TV. Hey guys, so if you want to clean up or free up some storage with your TCL TV, then here's how to do it. As you can see earlier, I go to settings, then it will locate you to the general settings section. From there, you can go down, go to the system, press on the right button near remote, then head on to storage. So from here you can see your storage, which I have right now is a 2 gigabyte apps, and also I don't have any photos and videos, audios, downloads, and I have a cached data. So if I want to remove this, I just clear the cache data for all apps. Then that's how you basically do it. Here is also a miscellaneous, music, and my available storage will be 5.9. But if you want to delete an app, head on here, see all apps, then just basically uninstall it, and that's it.